Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? Welcome to the Nigerian Nomad channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. It's a beautiful hot day in Ogun State, Nigeria, but it's a beautiful day. So if you guys have been following my video, you guys would be aware that we're taking on another charity water project in Ogun State, Nigeria, in this neighborhood that is just struggling with water, especially when it's dry season with no rain. They really struggle. So today is just an update video. First of all, I thank you all so much for the ones that have donated money to be a part of this project. Greatly appreciated. May God bless you. A lot of people in this community is going to be very thankful. So last time was just to take a look of where we would put the borehole and taking a look of where the borehole has been put. Now the update for today is ta-da! So we have put the stand there. There's two 5,000 liter tanks up there. The solar panel is installed. Now this is a first fetching stand. So when I came here last time, we discovered that we might need to have 3 to kind of cover the majority of the area. So this is where the water will be coming out from. Boom, 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 boom. So we have 4 fetching stands for water here. I think I need to remind them we need to put one long one here. Secondly, this is piped here, if you guys can see. And some of this is underground. So this piping is gonna now go all the way to the second fetching station, because we didn't want everybody to be in one because of the scale and of this community and the people here. So we probably need to have 3 fetching points. So here's one fetching point, and you cannot see it, but they've ran the pipe. They haven't ran it all the way yet, but I think they've started running the pipe. I can see it buried here. And then that piping will continue, ooh, excuse me, it will continue all the way to the next fetching stand. Anyways guys, let's go check out the next fetching stand and I'll see you there. All right, so as you guys can see, there's digging going on in between here. As you guys can see, all the way through, that the pipe is going to be ran all the way through. So digging through here. So I'm still walking to the other fetching point now. As you guys can see, dig. And then they'll now cover it with the stuff so that it's protected from the elements. So we're just going to check out the other fetching standpoint now. Well done, sir. I could share. So as you guys can see, all the way through here. Digging. Well done. Ooh, these people have dug foul. Digging all the way through here. You guys can see. Man, they dug all the way through. Yeah. I can't somehow.
Yes, sir.
Check this out. So we run all through here, all the way. All right, guys. I'll see you. I just wanted to show you guys the digging. We'll see you guys at the fetching stand. All right. So we are now at the second fetching stand point. As you guys can see, they've dug the pipe through here, and this is a road, Alafia Estate Road would be my landmark. So essentially this guy is fencing his house. As you guys can see, foundation for fencing is gonna go here. So the fetching stand is probably gonna be up against the fence, and it'll probably be somewhere here, is what we're thinking. I think this is where the digging stopped. So yeah, that's where station number 2 is. Now I'm yet to ascertain exactly where station number 3 would be, but the way we talked about last time, if you guys remember the last video, we were thinking one would be here and one is down here and the other one is supposed to be in front. Just double checking before we finalize everything, that's all. So let's go find station number 3, sir. You know where it is. So the piping would also continue.
Yes.
Okay, but they haven't dug that one yet, Abby.
Yes, the way it's going to be.
Okay.
Since we're going to stop at that point.
Yes.
Pass it.
Okay. And I hope this one is not climbing back up, elevation wise.
I mean, that's one of the points he was making the other time you were around. That is going to there's an elevation here. You remember very well that you mentioned that elevation.
I remember now. Okay.
That's what he was talking about. I think he was talking about the cost implication of having to do this one. Then there will be a need for
like a surface pump. I remember.
For a surface pump around this place to push it further.
So it would not be inside here.
Yes. Because I think majority of the household is concentrated very close to it. Inward, there are not much maybe the household.
Like residentials there.
Here, they are here. Then they are here.
Okay. So I think what we are gathering at is these 3 fetching points might need to be in a straight line instead of like in a triangle like we originally mapped out. For 2 reasons. To have it over there, because I'm also paying attention to the elevation. I think we talked about it last time. We put the original tanks at the highest elevation in this area, so it comes down. But I think to be able to have it over there, we need to climb back up, which means we might need surface pump and dig further. But I think if we can even get the 3rd one close to this area, I think that would be good enough. It's better than having one that they have to walk so far. At least they have 3 fetching stands. So it's either we settle with 2 or we go with 3. So
he was saying very clearly the other time to extend
we didn't discuss how much extra. Depend on how much money people would add to this thing. But I think 2 will be fine. We can start with 2.
Yes.
But we'll go back to the drawing board and see.
The 3rd one can be added probably later.
Yes. And to see how these things work. Okay. Alright, guys.
But because of the flow of the water, the first fetching point is super okay.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, no problem. Alright, guys. So that's just a quick update video on where we're at on this project. But it's exciting to see the tanks up there now and to see some of the digging. So the next episode we come back here would be us celebrating by God's grace. Again, thank you guys all so much for the support, and remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.